Managing your leads is one of the most crucial steps you can take to ensure a good revenue. Converting leads into loyal customers can take your business to heights of success. However, a lot of times businesses fail to understand the importance of lead management. This leads not only to loss of revenue but also hampers your lead flow. Let's learn how you can utilize a lead management system in your business to organize your sales process and increase your revenue. But before digging in, it's important to know the lead management process, which includes lead capturing, lead tracking, lead qualification, lead distribution, and lead nurturing. With a good lead management system, you can perform these lead management activities with ease and ensure a seamless workflow. Let's get started with some points that you can implement using a lead management system. Point 1. Map your sales process. Track your leads' progress through various stages in your sales process. Know the source they are coming from. That could include a web form, marketplaces, inquiries, etc. Capture leads from various sources in one platform to speed up your sales process. Point 2. Enhance your results by knowing the lead source. It's important to know which lead source gives the maximum results. It helps in deciding which sales campaigns work and which you need to work on. You need to ensure that you are attaching various types of sales leads that convert into customers. Customize lead tags and states within your lead management software. This helps in increasing the productivity of your sales agents as they will be focusing on important leads. Point 3. Qualify and distribute your leads automatically. A lead management system gives you the ultimate control over whom you want to assign the leads. You can also assign bulk leads to your team members and take status based actions accordingly. Qualify your leads before calling. Filter out active and inactive leads to eliminate manual work. Point 4. Nurture your leads. The most important part of your lead management process is how you are able to keep the non sales ready leads in the loop for a long period of time. Lead nurturing plays a vital role in ensuring that your lead gets qualified and stay interested in your product and services while you take them further in the sales funnel. With the lead management system, you can create lead nurturing campaigns through SMS and email automation, send product updates, offers, and information through WhatsApp, and interact with them through multiple channels. But remember, none of this can work without proper strategies and close team monitoring. A lead management system, when used correctly, can give you the best results in increasing the business revenue and sustaining it for a long period of time. A lead management system like NeoDAV helps you to capture, distribute, and nurture your leads, giving you the ultimate flexibility to work from anywhere with its intuitive mobile app. For more such interesting videos on sales, marketing, and lead management, subscribe to us and hit that bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video. Stay tuned for the next one.